I believe that there are only three genders. Either you are a male, or you're a female, or you're transgender.
Tell me what is the current scene in Delhi right now with this influencer? Are these really influencers?
जैसे आपकी शादी हो गई, अब बहू क्या करे, बोर हो रही है,
she's
daughter
been
in law,
an
तो वो अब
influencer.
इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाती है.
You have lived in Delhi and you have lived in Mumbai as well.
या
This is a very controversial question. Which is better?
आपके पास 1 रुपये होगा, आप 10 रुपये दिखाओगे. इतने साल लगे लोगों को ये समझने में कि गे और ट्रांसजेंडर में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. नाउ इट बिकम लाइक फैशनेबल, एवरी गर्ल वांट्स अ गे बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
When did you tell your parents? Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pod with Nick, and I welcome you to the yet another episode. और इस episode में I have Ankur Talwar with me. Who is he? Basically, he is the guy who is running the Delhi scene of influencers. Pepper Diaries के नाम से ये जाने जाते हैं Instagram पे, और he host and makes Delhi the most vibrant city. जितने भी influencer events होते हैं, जितनी भी parties होती हैं, he is the guy who handles it solely. Moreover, he represents LGBT society, जहां पर we digged in this podcast कि how he discovered that he is a gay और कैसे उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स, अपनी मदर के साथ उस चीज को एनकाउंटर किया. How he made space कि यार this should be accepted और I should accept this, and his journey to be the man he is right now. इस पॉडकास्ट के अंदर ना हम वो एक सेंसिटिव टॉपिक भी टच करेंगे जहां पर लोगों को सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है टू एक्सप्रेस देयर सेक्सुअलिटी, और हम बात करेंगे बेसिकली जेंडर्स के ऊपर. हमारे पॉडकास्ट के अंदर मेजरली 3 जेंडर्स के ऊपर बात की जाएगी, दैट इज मेल, फीमेल एंड ट्रांसजेंडर्स. और इसके अलावा जो स्पेक्ट्रम में जा रहे हैं, क्या वो क्वेश्चनेबल हैं? इसके लिए पॉडकास्ट देखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड. लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. और लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज मेरे साथ अंकुर तलवार हैं, the guy from the popular guy from the Delhi social scene. ठीक है, I've been following you on Instagram. There are a lot of people watching you, follow you on Instagram. अंकुर, जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई और where did this Pepper Diaries come into picture? तो हम थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. I want you to keep it brief कि Delhi, you're a Delhi boy.
Right,
How did you land up here in this scene?
तो मेरा बैकग्राउंड पीआर से था और
You born and brought up, everything is in Delhi?
born and brought up in Delhi. I'm a complete Delhi boy. Or I was working in PR companies and in PR for many years. Actually, I got into PR जब PR की समझ थी इन लोगों को. मतलब my family kept asking, what are you doing? Like, what is your job profile? उनको पता नहीं था PR एजेंसी में करते क्या है. Cutting the long story short, जब कोविड से पहले तक I had already worked for almost 15-16 years. और तब मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि नाउ आई नीड टू डू समथिंग ऑन माई ओन, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट समथिंग विच आई एम एंजॉइंग वर्किंग इन एजेंसीज एंड आई हैड द कॉन्टैक्ट. व्हाई नॉट अपना काम क्यों ना करूं.
You started your own.
मैं तुमने अपना काम स्टार्ट कर दिया. और
This is what year?
ये था 2018.
18.
हाँ जी, 2018
ठीक है.
में.
तब भी इतना पीआर का सीन नहीं था दिल्ली में.
तब पीआर का सीन बहुत लिमिटेड था, इतना सीन नहीं था. बहुत कम लोगों को पता था कि पीआर क्या होता है. मे बी टॉप ब्रांड्स, सोशलाइट्स, डिज़ाइनर्स, इनको पता होता था. पर अब जैसे कॉमन पब्लिक को पता है क्या पीआर होता है, वो तब वो अवेयरनेस नहीं थी. तो मैंने अपनी कंपनी स्टार्ट की और मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि मेरे जो क्लाइंट्स थे जो पहले मेरे साथ काम करते थे, उन्होंने ही बोला कि वाई डोंट यू स्टार्ट, और हम आपके साथ काम करेंगे. और मैंने उनके साथ काम शुरू किया. फिर 2020 में कोविड हो गया और उस टाइम पे मैं बहुत घबरा गया कि अब क्या होगा. कुछ हो सकता नहीं, हम सब घर पे हैं, और पीआर मीन्स आप यू गो आउट, यू डू इवेंट्स, यू मीट पीपल, ये तो कुछ होगा नहीं. तो उस टाइम पे मेरे किसी भी क्लाइंट ने मेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ा. दे ऑल सेड नो, वी विल कंटिन्यू. और घर बैठ के यू हैव सो मेनी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, आप ऑनलाइन करो. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने मेरा इंस्टाग्राम जो था वो ऑलरेडी था. ऐसे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम की जो मैं स्टोरी है मैं वो पहले बता दूं कि वाई इज इट कॉल्ड पेपर डायरीज. तो मैंने ये अकाउंट जो था 2015 या 16 में बनाया था. तो उस टाइम इंस्टाग्राम सिर्फ आया था. मैंने देखा कि फेसबुक बहुत पॉपुलर था उस टाइम पे, बट इंस्टाग्राम स्टार्ट हो गया था. तो आई थॉट चलो ठीक है, इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बनाते हैं. तो मैंने अपना नाम टाइप किया, अंकुर तलवार. मुझे नहीं मिला हैंडल. मैं कहा चलो अब कुछ और करना पड़ेगा. तो मेरे सामने एक डायरी पड़ी हुई थी. मैं कहा डायरी है और इस डायरी में क्या है, पेपर. मैं कहा बट थोड़ा स्टाइल तो मारना पड़ेगा.
ओके,
तो मैंने
पेपर डायरी.
तो मैंने पेपर को कर दिया पेपर. मैं चलो पेपर करके पेपर डायरीज करके बना देता हूँ.
जर्नलिंग, थोड़ा आप जर्नल करते हो, अपना कुछ लिखते हो?
नॉट मच. पहले करता था, अब नहीं. तो मैं कहा चलो ठीक है, इसको पेपर डायरीज करके वो मिल गया हैंडल, मैंने बना के छोड़ दिया। 2015 से वो पड़ा रहा ऐसे 17-18 तक। फिर जब 18 में जब मैंने कंपनी स्टार्ट की, मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा पोस्ट करना शुरू किया उस पर। तब तक मेरे बहुत सारे, मतलब उस टाइम पे जो ब्लॉगिंग वगैरह करते थे फ्रेंड्स, पहले तो फैशन ब्लॉग्स होते थे, लोग ब्लॉगिंग करते थे। इंस्टाग्राम तो बस लाइक अ एल्बम, उसमें तो लोग कुछ डालते नहीं थे। फिर वो धीरे धीरे जब मैंने देखा कि देयर ऑलरेडी अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ पीपल हु आर पोस्टिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, तो मैंने फिर उनको अप्रोच करना शुरू किया कोविड के बाद, कोविड के टाइम पे। और हमने फिर ऑनलाइन एक्टिविटीज़ करनी शुरू करी कि किसी ने एक ऑन लाइव कर दिया, बिकॉज सब उस टाइम पे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम बैठे रहते थे। तो हमने वहाँ से एक्टिविटीज़ करनी शुरू करी, और फिर वहाँ से जो पेज है वो बढ़ता बढ़ता शुरू हो गया, बहुत लोग जुड़ते चले गए। आई एनीवे हैड द एडवांटेज ऑफ नोइंग सो मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम माई प्रीवियस पीआर बैकग्राउंड, तो उसकी वजह से लोगों से कनेक्ट करना बहुत ईजी था। और आई एम जेन्युइन, सो इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी इजी टू गेट पीपल।
that I'll echo that he's genuine and he'll get ये मैं इस बात पे एग्री करता हूँ।
Thank
एक और एक और चीज़ है, आई थिंक यू आर द पर्सन एंड देयर आर वेरी लेस पर्सन हु अंडरस्टैंड्स हु हैव सीन इंस्टाग्राम इवॉल्व।
या
मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने इसको अराउंड 2014 या 13 में करीबन मैं देख रहा था, लोग ना अपनी फोटोज डाल रहे हैं लाइक पिनिंटरेस्ट, जो इस टाइम पे पिनिंटरेस्ट है,
हाँ, right.
ठीक है, अपनी एल्बम बनाते हैं और अपनी पर्सनल फोटोज या फिर कुछ ऑनलाइन शूट किया वो डाल दिया।
हाँ।
एंड दिस इज अ लिविंग वर्ल्ड, इट्स अ वर्ल्ड इन
हाँ,
इटसेल्फ।
एब्सोल्युटली।
तो वो जो इवोल्यूशन है ना, वो मैंने पूरा देखा है। और टेल मी हाउ इज द सीन इन दिल्ली अभी? ये सोशल मीडिया पे यार हर बंदा इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहा है, मतलब एवरीवन इज अबव 100K। आई डोंट नो हाउ भाई। मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुट माई बेस्ट कंटेंट, ठीक है, मेरे 1000 नहीं हिट हो रहे हैं। मैं ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, नो नॉट बाइंग एनीथिंग। कभी कभी जो मेरे को लगता है यार कंटेंट नहीं हो रहा, मैं लोगों को टैग कर देता हूँ कि शेयर कर दो। दिस इज द मैक्सिमम थिंग आई एम डूइंग। बट tell me, what is the current scene in Delhi right now with this influencer? Are these really influencers?
सी आई फील आज इंस्टाग्राम पे बेस्ट बिजनेस है फॉलोअर्स खरीदने का।
अच्छा, ये भी
मतलब
बिजनेस है।
उसके बाद अगर अगर मतलब आपको कोई बिजनेस करना है जिस पे आप रियली सक्सेस चाहते हो, तो आप फॉलोअर्स खरीदना या फॉलोअर्स बेचना शुरू कर दो। उस पर आपको हर बंदे को चाहिए वो। क्योंकि एक बात ये है निक, दैट इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या कंटेंट वायरल होता है। देखिए, आप स्ट्रीट फूड देखेंगे, आप बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे। इफ समबडी डूइंग स्ट्रीट फूड, उस पर्सन की ग्रोथ बहुत होगी। आप कुछ क्रिंज, जो कहते हैं क्रिंज कंटेंट, आप वो डालिए, उसकी बहुत रीच होगी। बिकॉज इन आवर कंट्री पीपल वांट टू सी थिंग्स दैट दे कैन रिलेट टू। अब मैं आज खड़ा हो जाऊँ कि ये मैंने शर्ट खरीदी, इसको मैं इस तरीके से स्टाइल कर रहा हूँ, वो कितने लोग रिलेट कर पाएंगे? बहुत कम लोग।
It's a niche audience.
आप अपनी फैमिली में देखिए, मतलब इन आवर फैमिलीज ओनली, देयर सो मेनी मेन हु आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन फैशन। अरे ये 5 शर्ट है, ये 5 शर्ट में वो अपनी जिंदगी गुजार देंगे। अच्छा तुम खरीदो, ये मैं पहन लूंगा। दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कैसे स्टाइल करना है, कैसे वो करना है। सेम इज विद वुमेन ऑल्सो। वो कहते हैं हमें हमें मत सिखाओ कि कैसे स्टाइल करना है, हमें पता है कैसे स्टाइल करना है। तो फैशन, लग्जरी, ये एक बहुत ही नीश सेगमेंट है। और जब आप इन चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट करते हो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कई लोगों के साथ नहीं, बहुत सारे जिन्होंने शुरू में ये पूरा ट्रेंड स्टार्ट किया, उन लोगों को बहुत फॉलोअर्स मिले, उन लोगों को बहुत एक्सेप्टेंस मिली। बट अब हर दूसरा बंदा वही चीज़ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। समबडी हु स्टार्टेड द ट्रेंड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट चाहे मासूम मीना वाला, those kind of people who started fashion at a very Instagram, they started a very early,
Kind of an inception age पे।
और फिर उन्होंने उसको बिल्ड किया, धीरे धीरे ऑथेंटिक रहे, उन्होंने उनका वो बेस बन गया। लेकिन आज के टाइम पे आई थिंक वो बेस क्रिएट करना बहुत मुश्किल है। और इसीलिए कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, टू अर्न मनी, दे डोंट वांट टू लूज आउट ऑन दैट टाइम। सो टू अर्न मनी एंड टू गेट रिकग्नाइज्ड बाय द ब्रांड्स, दे बाय फॉलोअर्स। एवरीबडी बाय फॉलोअर्स। मतलब आई वोंट डिनाई दैट, इवन आई हैव बॉट फॉलोअर्स, यू नो, बिकॉज ब्रांड्स को एक नंबर चाहिए। और इस पूरे उसमें गलती सबकी है। ब्रांड्स हैं, ब्रांड्स को पता होता है कि फेक फॉलोअर्स हैं, पर ब्रांड्स को होता है कि ठीक है कंटेंट अच्छा है, ये अच्छा बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि और तो हम कहीं और दिखेगा नहीं। अगर आज मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, मुझे शायद इतने पैसे उस पर स्पेंड करने पड़े टू एडवर्टाइज इन अ न्यूज़पेपर, जो पता नहीं कितने लोग पढ़ रहे हैं आज के टाइम पे। मैगजीन्स जो है उनकी सर्कुलेशन पूरी जीरो है। तो वो मीडिया पूरा उड़ चुका। नोबडी स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन बाइंग अ मैगजीन एंड सीइंग।
प्रिंट मीडिया बहुत डाउन है इस टाइम।
प्रिंट मीडिया पूरा खत्म ही है आज। प्रिंट मीडिया इज ओनली अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स एंड क्रिकेट। आप प्रिंट मीडिया पढ़ के नहीं डिसाइड करोगे कि मुझे कहाँ खाने जाना है। आप इंस्टाग्राम खोल के देखोगे यहाँ पे खाना अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा। तो अब ये ब्रांड्स को भी पता है कि मेरा सारा ऑडियंस जो है वो इंस्टाग्राम पे और फेसबुक पे नहीं, चलो इंस्टाग्राम पे ही बैठा हुआ है। और ये बात क्रिएटर्स को पता लग गई है तो वो खरीद लेते हैं, अच्छी अच्छी फोटोज डाल देते हैं, एंड देन दे ऑल गेट इनवाइटेड टू दीज थिंग। एक वो हो रहा है। दूसरा ये भी है कि हर ब्रांड का एक बजट होता है कि मेरा एक मार्केटिंग बजट है जो मुझे इस साल में यूटिलाइज करना ही है। अब मैं एडवर्टाइज नहीं कर रहा, मैं वहाँ नहीं लगाऊंगा, मैं एक इवेंट कर लेता हूँ, मैं कुछ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को पे कर देता हूँ, कुछ
वो
को
आ
फ्री
जाएंगे।
प्रोडक्ट दे देता हूँ, वो आ जाएंगे। और तो बहुत लोग बार्टर कर रहे हैं, बहुत से लोग फ्री में कर लेते हैं, बहुत से लोग पैसे लेके भी करते हैं। तो दैट्स वाई सबको चाहिए कि क्योंकि कंपटीशन इतना बढ़ गया है, तो एवरीबडी लाइक अब मैं दिखाऊं कि मेरी मेरी ग्रोथ हो रही है। तो ग्रोथ कैसे होगी? दिखाने में मेरा नंबर, मेरे पास नंबर्स हैं। तो अब देखो रातों रात लोगों के 100K 200K।
Exactly. मैंने I've seen people like I'll not name it. ठीक है. There is a very good friend of mine. She's an actor now.
Okay.
She's coming to movies. ठीक है. And the moment she got 2-3 movies, she refused to have a podcast with
Right.
me. ठीक है. तो ठीक है. मतलब it's fine. मतलब ठीक है. She replies. She
Right.
doesn't have dates. That is fine. But मैंने उसके follower, I was following her. She was on 64,000 followers. मैं भाई 10-15 दिन बाद मैंने उसको कुछ उसका देखा, शी वॉज ऑन 1 million प्लस एंड वेरीफाइड। आई वाज लाइक भाई दुनिया करप्ट होती जा रही है। और कोई ऐसा चीज नहीं कि वायरल हुआ इसका कंटेंट कोई, या फिर एक होता है कि ये चीज वायरल हो गई। मैं आई बिलोंग टू यूट्यूब इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं इतना नहीं हूँ, यूट्यूब पे लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट मैं बहुत टाइम से कर रहा हूँ। तो उसमें मैंने देखा है कि कुछ चीजें वायरल होती हैं तो तुम्हें उसके सब्सक्राइबर्स मिलते हैं, एंड दैट इज अ जेन्युइन बात कि तुम्हारी वीडियो पे इतना आया, इतना कमेंट्स गए, उसमें वॉर चल रही है, लड़ाई हो रही है, लफड़ाज हो रहे हैं, तो दैट मोर साउंड्स। बट मुझे ना थोड़ा सा और जानना है, दिस इज माई सेक,
राइट।
हेल्प मी विद द नंबर्स ऑफ मनी कि एक इंसान इफ ही स्टार्ट्स अ जर्नी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड से कि मैंने ना एक अकाउंट बनाया, आई पुट अप अराउंड 20-30 पोस्ट, ठीक है, ऑन 30 डेज के स्पैन में, एंड आई ट्राई टू ग्रो इट ऑर्गेनिकली, एंड दैट कम्स अराउंड टू बी 800-900 फॉलोअर्स, गुड कंटेंट, 22 फॉलोअर्स, 50,000 फॉलोअर डाल दिए, और वो 50,000 मेरे ख्याल से 10,000 के बजट में आ जाएंगे सारे, गुड क्वालिटी,
उससे भी कम में,
ठीक है, और सब लाइक्स वाइक्स की दिखाने के लिए जेन्युइन है। हाउ मच अ ब्रांड वुड पे टू हिम इफ इज अ लाइफस्टाइल गाय?
See, I think brands can pay you anything between 10,000 to 20,000
अच्छा, फॉर पोस्ट,
पर पोस्ट। हाँ, बहुत बहुत बार अब ऐसा होता है कि जब ब्रांड्स आपके साथ पहली बार काम करते हैं तो देन दे से क्या बार्टर कर लीजिए कि हम आपको प्रोडक्ट दे देंगे, या हम आपको होस्ट कर लेंगे, तो आप उस पे कर लीजिए। एंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन्फ्लुएंसर वेरी हैप्पी डूइंग इट, because think about it, मतलब we come from that, we live in a country where we love free stuff, right? कुछ भी free मिल जाए, and it's inscribed in our DNA कि हमें कुछ free मिल जाए तो बस हम खुश हो जाएंगे।
True that. This is a disclaimer to आम आदमी पार्टी, ठीक है? I'm just kidding यार।
तो इन्फ्लुएंसर बहुत खुश। चलो आपने, अगर मैं एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ, मैंने अभी नया नया पेज स्टार्ट किया है, मैंने उस पर 20 पोस्ट डाल दिए, मैंने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स खरीद के 20,000 30,000 फॉलोअर्स भी डाल दिए, लाइक्स भी खरीद लिए, व्यूज़ भी अब सब बिकता है, लाइक्स भी हैं, व्यूज़ भी हैं, शेयर भी है, सेव भी है, एवरीथिंग इज, यू कैन बाय एवरीथिंग एट अ वेरी इकोनॉमिकल प्राइस। मतलब द मोमेंट यू बिकम अ इन्फ्लुएंसर, योर DMs विल बी फुल ऑफ people trying to sell you followers and all the services. तो lot of influencers initially to create that name and in that excitement कि मुझे एक ब्रांड ने अप्रोच किया, वो उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है ना,
to show that brands are also
अप्रोचिंग, तो they are ready to do initially कि हाँ ठीक है हम कर देंगे बार्टर में। तो वो करते करते बार्टर करते करते एक बार किया, 2 बार किया, 3 बार किया, करते करते when you put out a few brands in your profile, then you get the power to negotiate probably with the 5th brand or the 6th brand कि मैंने इन ब्रांड के साथ काम किया है और मैं इस आपके साथ ये शूट करने के लिए probably charge you 10,000 20,000 and it goes up to lakhs, you know, depending upon।
एक अच्छा क्रिएटर जो मतलब जेन्युइन हो, आई डोंट नो जेन्युइन क्या रहेगी अब, गुड अमाउंट, हाउ मच मैक्सिमम कैन दे अर्न फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम इटसेल्फ?
There's no limit. I mean, you can earn up to, I have friends who are earning 10 lakhs 20 lakhs a month just by posting Instagram content.
ब्रांड से
And the brands are ready to pay. I mean, the top brands are you know, the right brands. I mean, if you think Dior will pay you, Dior will never pay you because Dior doesn't need you. You need Dior, right? The mid-level brands, the FMCG brands, liquor brands, car brands, they pay you a hell lot of money because they have those marketing budgets which they're not utilizing in newspapers or in magazines or in electronic media. For them, this is now their platform of promotion. So they are willing to spend any money as long as they get good content out of it. One, they see what is the kind of network that you have, who are the people following you, what is your lifestyle that you have showcased on Instagram, and again, what is the engagement on post. Some brands also have the tools which can tell them exactly that how many followers are fake on this profile,
अच्छा.
and brands have done that. I know one very popular liquor brand who have stopped working with few influencers only because that when they entered their profiles in their software and they found out the engagement was way below average, so they stopped working with them. But for the visibility factor, they still send them gifts. कि एक लिकर की बॉटल भेज दी या
They do,
gift.
it is just a
हाँ, it's like
token
a,
यार.
हाँ, तो वो चीज़ है. And also, you know, I feel we are a very, very hospitable country. We love hospitality. We love to host. We love to gift. We love to look after people. So brands have that thing, you know, that ठीक है, somebody looking good, the content is good, ठीक ठाक है, दे दो. इतने पैसे मांग रहे हैं, थोड़े से पैसे मांग रहे हैं, negotiate कर लो. You know, and over the time they also grow with the
चलता
brand.
है इस
हाँ,
type
तो
से.
it's like, तो ये हो रहा है.
Okay. Have you heard this Avneet Kaur वाला scene अभी जो latest हुआ है? You know Avneet Kaur?
Avneet Kaur, no, but what is the controversy? I'm little unaware of.
अच्छा अच्छी आई थिंक मैंने भी सिर्फ इंटरनेट पे पढ़ा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच ट्रू इट इज, बट दिस ब्रांड सूड और मे बी दे जस्ट पब्लिसाइज्ड द कन्वर्सेशन दे हैड विद अवनीत. दे शेयर्ड सम इयररिंग्स और कुछ ज्वेलरी. शी वोर इट इन
Yeah,
पेरिस
yeah.
और मे बी कहीं गई होगी.
हाँ,
तो उसने
हाँ,
बाकी ब्रांड्स को टैग किया, उनको टैग नहीं किया.
हाँ.
तो दे वर आस्किंग टैग करो टैग करो टैग करो. And then they publicize कि she doesn't
didn't
do it
tag,
and she's
हाँ.
not willing to pay as well. तो उसके नीचे लोग ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, बहन इयरिंग्स कब वापस करेगी, पैसे कब देगी. So I don't know, this is all lot happens, but मैं किसी का इंटरव्यू पढ़ रहा था. The reason I asked this question कि ना यार पैसा कितना कमाते हैं, क्योंकि कोई एक कह रहा था कि with just Instagram thing he's around 500K and he makes around 7 to 8 lakhs a month.
Yeah.
And I was like, shit, मैं भाई पागल, हम पागल की तरह मैं लैपटॉप बैठ के कोड लिख रहा हूँ, तुम साला 8-8 लाख रुपए कमा रहे हो. You have lived in Delhi.
Yeah.
ठीक है, you're a Delhi, तुमने भाई आते ही बोला कि मैं दिल्ली का लड़का हूँ, ये है वो है. And you have lived in Mumbai as well.
Yeah.
This is a very controversial question. Which is better?
So, if we talk about work-wise,
नहीं which is better?
that's a very confusing question.
एक होता ना यार, मेरे से पूछो, मुझसे
हाँ.
पूछो.
अच्छा,
Delhi is better.
Delhi, what
I
is
lived in
better?
Mumbai. I never lived in Mumbai, so I know Delhi is better. But there would be a lot of people गाली gloaching me for this. But ठीक है. If I live in Mumbai, तो मैं, you have a point to compare with
Yeah,
certain things.
yeah.
I don't want you to tell me those points. Just tell me which is better.
Delhi.
Delhi is better.
Yeah.
ठीक है. अब थोड़ा अंदर घुसते हैं और
हाँ.
जानते हैं क्यों. कि मतलब why did you choose Delhi over Mumbai? Because there are a lot of people who choose Mumbai people over Delhi
yeah,
people.
Yeah. See, I feel एक तो बॉम्बे में बहुत भीड़ है. I think that city is collapsing day by day in terms of infrastructure, in terms of quality of life. There's no quality of life in Bombay. They're living in very, very small apartments and it's not their fault. They can't make anything. There's no space. What else can you do?
Like huge rents.
Huge rentals, you know, and huge rentals, you pay huge taxes, and then when monsoon arrives, that city is flooded, and it's like, मतलब it's just गंदा. You know, I'm not saying दिल्ली में नहीं होता. दिल्ली में भी वाटर लॉगिंग होता है, रेन्स होती हैं, and things go for toss. But 1 hour, 1 day में सब कुछ ठीक हो, normal, back to normal. And Bombay, these rains are going on and on and on, and the roads are flooded, and the water is getting into people's homes, and it's a mess, right? So that is something, and I don't know, despite of them, I've heard that it's the richest city in the country, and the infrastructure is going for a toss, and they really have to fix it. Rentals are crazy. There are just too much of there are too many people, too much competition in everything, and I just find that how, you know, like I feel in Delhi everything is very graceful. Like I love the fashion here. People are always well dressed. Food is so good. You have huge spaces. None of this exists in Bombay. But yes, people are nice. People are helpful. People are genuine in Bombay. एज
दिल्ली
कम्पेयर
में
टू दिल्ली.
genuine, दिल्ली में फर्जी बड़ा है
दिल्ली में आई थिंक पीपल वो 2 पेग लगा के एवरीबडी बिकम जेन्युइन. देन दे आर लाइक कि तू मेरा भाई है, मैं तेरे लिए कर दूंगा, मैं तेको छोड़ के आऊंगा, ये करूंगा वो करूंगा. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स गुड पीपल आर इन दिल्ली आल्सो, बट yes, if I compare both the cities, people there are much more genuine despite of living the way they live, or whatever the circumstances are. They are far more giving, far more real, and also Bombay has a space for everybody. Matlab, maybe I'm not talking about in terms of like space like.
like a space
हाँ,
of acceptance.
but what I love about Bombay is that it's a set rule. आप इस शहर में कहीं से भी हो, आप चाहे बॉम्बे के हो, आप चाहे दुनिया में कहीं के भी हो, इफ़ यू आर अराइविंग इन बॉम्बे, दीज आर द रूल्स दैट यू विल फॉलो. लोकल ट्रेन जाता है ऐसे ही जाता है, आपको ऐसे ही घुसना है, ऐसे ही उतरना है. यू कैन बी एनी वन. देयर इज नो मराठी कोटा, क्या मराठी हो तो आप उस वहाँ से घुस जाओ, ऐसे ही जाएगा. ट्रैफिक इज फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, इट इज़ फॉर एवरी वन. So they know that you work hard, you will get your success. There's no like shortcuts, and there's I don't find that that nepo thingy. Maybe it exists in Bollywood a little bit, but overall I don't see that. You are
Are there more opportunities in Mumbai as compared to Delhi?
Absolutely. Delhi is all about business families, and Delhi में creative काम की इतनी ज़्यादा value, understanding, respect नहीं है. आप आज because I see a lot of my friends, their wives are like designers, तो they've opened it because they have the money कि मैं खाली नहीं बैठना, मैं करना चाहती हूँ. तो दैट्स द डिफरेंट कि मुझे पैसा कहीं लगाना है, मेरे को बिजी रहना है ना. यू सी लाइक इन वेस्ट दिल्ली एवरी सेकंड गर्ल इज ईदर हैज अ सैलून, or she's a designer, or she's a jewelry designer. And now the big thing is that everybody wants to be an influencer. तो जैसे ही आपकी शादी हो गई, अब बहू क्या करे, बोर हो रही है, तो वो अब इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाती हैं.
एंड इज इट दिल्ली, मुंबई में ऐसा कोई सीन है कि दिल्ली में आई गो टू पार्टीज, ठीक है, एवरीवन वुड बी केयरिंग, डियोर से नीचे कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है यार, जीजी चल रहा है, हर जगह गुची गैंग चल रहा है. मतलब देयर आर पीपल, एक ग्रुप आया होगा जो गुची गैंग का है, बिग कार्ड्स, ठीक है. मतलब मेरे पास फॉर्ड है यार, मेरे को शर्म आ रही थी उस दिन मैंने देखा, मैंने कहा यार दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड ओफेलिया इन अशोका. मैं गया, मेरी गाड़ी सबसे छोटी, मतलब आई एम फाइन विद इट, मुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट मैं पार्क कर रहा हूँ, वैले आया तो मैंने कहा भाई सामने जगह मैं लगा दूंगा, क्योंकि आई वाज थिंकिंग कि वैले को भी मेरे को 100-150 रुपये टिप करनी पड़ेगी, तो दैट्स द रीजन आई पुट इट लाइक दैट. बट मैंने उतर के देखा, मैंने कहा यार ओरुस खड़ी है यहाँ पे, रेंज खड़ी है, उधर भी ऐसा है कि इज इट लाइक, और इज इट फाइन कि वहाँ पे?
No, Bombay is very relaxed in these things. Like if you have a brand, you have it for yourself. It's not about show. I have very rich friends in Bombay, and when I go and meet them, they come meet me in chappal. We're meeting in a mall. They'll come in a chappal and short, and you wouldn't even think that this person has so much of money or has the latest car, but that's how they are. Like they are very very down to earth. For them, their money is theirs for them to enjoy, not to show to the world. But दिल्ली में ऑपोजिट है. आपके पास 1 रुपये होगा, आप 10 रुपये दिखाओगे. half of them are in debt. किराए की गाड़ी, किराए का घर, मांगे हुए कपड़े, उसके पैसे मारे हुए हैं, बिजनेस डूबा हुआ है, बट दिखाना है कि वी हैव एवरीथिंग. ठाट है. हाँ, ठाट है. तो that is Delhi for you. And Bombay, that's what I'm saying. Bombay in terms of people is very very real. But if I have to live, I'll live in Delhi, not in Bombay.
I'm not sure. I just wanted to know the life of it, but I don't know. What do you guys feel? Let us know in the comment section, guys. What do you feel of staying in Bombay and versus staying in Delhi? अगर आप रुके हो तो. Okay, we gonna jump into a little bit of your life here. ठीक है. अंकुर, आपने ना एक आर्टिकल लिखा था, मोर ऑफ लाइक अ डिजिटल आर्टिकल, इन विच यू टॉक्ड अबाउट दिल्ली नाइट लाइफ. ऐसा क्या सीन है दिल्ली के अंदर कि यू हैड टू राइट दिस, कि स्टैग एंट्री का सीन हुआ था कुछ, व्हाट वाज दैट?
तो स्टैग एंट्री का प्रॉब्लम जो है, आई थिंक वो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड ही है, बट व्हाई आई हाईलाइटेड इट इन दिल्ली इज बिकॉज कि जैसे हम लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं या फिर हम लोग क्रिएटर्स हैं, जैसा बहुत बार अब होना शुरू हुआ है सिंस लास्ट 2 years दैट लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल इनवाइट अस फॉर क्लब ओपनिंग्स कि आई एम लॉन्चिंग दिस क्लब एंड दिस इज द लॉन्च नाइट, यू कम. ओके, आप पहुंचते हो, वहाँ पे पहुंचते ही आपको बाहर रोक दिया जाता है कि स्टैग्स नॉट अलाउड.
Though you are there in the guest name.
I'm there in the guest list. And then they do this drama with others also, कि आप भी रुक जाइए, then you have to call the host comes, fights with the management, then they are on the guest list, then they see the guest list, they see you, and then they let you enter, all that. My question is that, one, I'm not there to party. I've come to promote your place and probably enjoy also, because I've been invited. I'm not like some random boy out in the Delhi street thinking where to go, and then I decided to land up at your premises, and I'm wanting to invest my money, and I don't want to go through all that drama. If I had to go through that drama, I would go to a shady club in CP or somewhere else and do that. और गुड़गांव में किसी pub के बाहर खड़ा हो जाऊंगा और ये सब कर लूंगा.
Shady club in CP.
So I have. So that was the whole thing, that when you are inviting people, when you are when I'm on the guest list, or any boy is on the guest list, how can, and it's a launch night, it's not even your regular night, right? It's your launch where you're hosting people. Everybody has been invited.
There's going to be the perception of your club throughout.
Exactly. This is not an event where people are gate crashing. Everybody is on the list. That's why they're standing outside. So that was my whole thing. And second, then they say that stags ka problem hai. We don't allow boys. Understood. But then when you are there, but when those boys are ready to pay a lot of money, then you are letting them enter. So I don't understand the problem. And that was my concern with most of the clubs, that if somebody has invited me, that means that person knows me personally, and that person vouches for the fact that I will not create any nuisance inside your club. And you have seen the profile of mine or anybody who's inviting, and you have seen that, okay, this
that
person,
is the reason you're on the guest list.
So why to do this drama? Why to act so pricey at the entrance that no, I will not let you enter? Eventually you do let us enter. But then why to go through this drama? And I think in 2024, let's not talk about this at all. I mean, today, men are so well behaved. I'm not saying that somebody is well dressed, let them enter. We are not living in 1980 that a guy will enter, he will get pissed drunk and he will start falling and he'll start running after every woman and misbehave. Up under security badha do, let stags enter, put them in a separate area, let them enjoy. Today, Nick, if you want to go out with your father to have a drink on Saturday night, what are your options? None. फिर जैसे आप तो हम तो नहीं करेंगे जी.
हाँ, सच बहुत. This is genuine. ठीक है.
आप नहीं जा सकते कहीं पर भी.
Either you just go and dine in, yaar.
So you
cannot go in a lounge or a club.
But they will allow you with your wife and with your mother, because at that time they want your money. ऐसे भी पैसा चाहिए, पैसा stag ही pay करेगा. But now that you are with the wife, they need your money. But if you want to go and have a drink in a club, just go with your brother, you will not get entry anywhere. And that I feel is so discriminatory. You have to change the rules. You have to change the laws.
मुंबई में कैसा है?
मुंबई में भी ऐसा है. ऐसा I won't say बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, because कई clubs का rule है कि they allow you. But I think Delhi में ये चीज़ बहुत बढ़ती जा रही है, और at a level when you are inviting, मतलब it's like आप कल अगर अपनी engagement party host कर रहे हो किसी club में, तो अगर दूल्हा अलग से आगे को एंट्री नहीं देंगे. लाइक नहीं भैया तुम नहीं आ सकते, क्योंकि अब हम तो लड़कों को लौंडे लाए.
Okay, tell me this. You're into men, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. I'm into women. So tell me, how's the scene with Delhi as compared to your attraction? Delhi is better or Mumbai is better?
I'm saying, of course, North Indian men are very attractive and very good looking. So, of course, Delhi is better in terms of men. Bombay also has a lot of men, and I think Bombay people are, like, Delhi is also very open now about the whole LGBTQ culture, and Bombay also, because of the film industry, and because people are much more open-minded in Bombay. So, वहाँ पे भी है, मतलब scene काफी अच्छा ही है वहाँ पे भी. But I feel Delhi is better in terms of men.
And for women?
For women also.
सुंदर कहाँ की हैं लड़कियाँ?
सुंदर लड़कियाँ नॉर्थ इंडिया में ही हैं.
मैं सही रह रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मैं सही रह रहा हूँ. But I met this Mumbai girl. For me, it's not about the beauty. It's about the conversation she holds.
Yeah.
She was like good in the conversation. I was like fan of her. मैंने कहा लेकिन मैं शादीशुदा हूँ यार. It's fine, ठीक है, बात कर लेता हूँ बस.
But I anyway feel that uh, the people who are from the community, they are anyway much more intelligent and creative and expressive, and that's why they can hold good conversations. I mean, rarely you'll find people who are, yeah, but if you compare, like if you see, I mean, I'm sure, I don't know if you have gay friends or not, but you'll see if you have gay friends, they are far more creative, well dressed, articulate, they can talk well, they have more knowledge about things, you know, they are more skilled in a lot of things as compared to straight friends. Like I think, like I see a lot of straight boys very very casual about what they have. कुछ भी पहन के चले जाएंगे कहीं पर भी, गाड़ी उठाए निकल गए, न खाया, like everything is like very second, like hygiene is secondary. Choices, like they are very very open about things की चल ठीक है यहाँ नहीं मिला, यहाँ खा लेंगे, चल ये नहीं किया यहाँ चले जाएंगे, चल ठीक है ऐसे निकाल. But then, whereas when you see gay men or you know, lesbians, very bland, कि नहीं ऐसे ऐसे होगा, we'll do this, we'll only stay here. So I think that is there. That's why, you know, they hold better conversations, and
because they have experiences to tell.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, let me jump into your life
Yeah.
here. मुझे ना how did this you don't mind me asking questions?
Of course,
ठीक है?
please go ahead.
You're born in Delhi. Ankur, when did you like realize, okay, I am attracted to males as compared to females? So I'm attracted to boys as compared to girls.
So I was, when I was growing up, of course, I was a little feminine at that time. And when I was in school, then I realized, matlab around 8th or 9th standard, mein, I realized that I'm more attracted to my classmates as compared to girls. And
not sexually attracted, but rather than staying in the conversation with them, right?
no, like sexually attracted.
Okay.
Like, you know, that's the time when everybody would start getting into the whole conversation of girlfriend bana, wo meri bandi hai, wo that whole nibba nibbi pyar that happens
Exactly.
in school. So that was going on in my class also, and तो मेरे को लगता था कि, you know, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाना एक बहुत बड़ी, till the time I didn't attain puberty, I thought that girlfriend बनाना is like a very big thing. girlfriend तो होनी चाहिए, सबकी होती है, and it's mandatory. But around 9th or 10th standard, I realized that my attraction is more towards men as compared to women. And in my class also, like I would see there were some of my classmates I was attracted to. But I kept it to myself because at that time there was no reference point. There was no internet, or I had no idea to know that what is happening with me. So I thought it's probably I have some sort of a sickness. ये एक बीमारी है शायद मुझे, तो ठीक हो जाएगी अपने आप. And then to act
you
on
didn't
it,
care, or you just suppressed it?
I suppressed it. I like, you
and
know,
you didn't talk to anyone?
There was nobody.
Not parents, nothing?
No, I'm an 80s kid, so I was in school in 90s. So तो उस टाइम पे ना इंटरनेट था, ना टीवी था.
ओल्ड स्कूल था ब्रो.
बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल था. मतलब if anybody is feminine or anybody you know, a little like, मतलब feminine only, तो एक ही वर्ड था सबके लिए, छक्का, कि छक्का है. एक इतने साल लगे लोगों को ये समझने में कि गे और ट्रांसजेंडर में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. यू नो, अब जाकर लोगों को पता है कि okay, this guy is gay and this person is transgender. तब तो सबको एक ही था. वो मूवीज में वही आता था, किसी के हाथ थोड़े ऐसे हुए, कोई थोड़ा हिला डुला, तो वो छक्का छक्का है, छक्का है, छक्का.
तो बॉलीवुड ने इसमें बहुत गंदा रोल प्ले किया.
90s बॉलीवुड वाज हॉरिबल बिकॉज़
अगर वो उस टाइम पे एजुकेशन देते ना, हम बहुत आगे होते इस टाइम पे.
मतलब उस टाइम पे एवरी मूवी हैड दिस वन डांसर गाय और one guy who was trying to, you know, मारो लाइन on somebody.
तुमने एक चीज देखा, और हर चीज में ना वो मजाक उड़ा रहे थे इस चीज का.
तो वही नॉर्मल हो गया, वही चीज नॉर्मल हो गई. तो मतलब बाहर भी जो लोग बोलते थे वो छक्का बोल के हंसते थे बस. उनके लिए वही रेफरेंस पॉइंट था. उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. दे आल्सो डिडंट नो कि व्हाट इज दिस. दे हैड नो कॉन्सेप्ट का मैन कैन बी अट्रैक्टेड टू अनदर मैन. वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था उनके पास. और जो होता है वो छक्का होता है.
ठीक है.
तो वो था. तो मैंने उस चीज को सप्रेस कर लिया उस टाइम पे. और फिर आई ट्राइड टू मेक अ गर्लफ्रेंड आल्सो. A very unsuccessful attempt.
I would love to know that. क्या हुआ था?
तो I was चलो ठीक है, because I was in the whole phase.
This just before telling it, my girlfriends, friends who are girls, they have good gay friends, and gays are more into the space where they give space to listen,
right.
being listen, कि तुम्हें कुछ सुन रहा है. मैं अंग्रेजी थोड़ी गलत बोल रहा हूँ, but हाँ, you get my point, right?
Absolutely.
तो
फिर then I think I was in 11th या 12th, 11th में. And I was like, चलो ये तो कुछ नहीं होता, मुझे ऐसे कुछ हुआ होगा, probably like a passing thing. So I made a girlfriend and I proposed this girl and she was very happy and all. and then after a week or so, we had this moment where we could kiss, and I kissed her, and I felt disgusting after kissing her. I like, no, this is not the feeling that I should be getting. Like, this is definitely not. And that's when I realized that, like, no, 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 no. This is not, like, my scene is not into girls at all. So छोड़ दो. And I moved out of it. I was like कि नहीं हो सकता. Of course, I didn't tell her that, you know, I'm not attracted to you and all. I told her कि मेरे को पढ़ाई करनी है, मेरे को 12th में कुछ बनना है, और you know all that. So let's be friends and आगे देखते हैं. बाद में अगर कुछ होगा तो. So I walked out of it, and it was fine. And then of course again at that time also I didn't have any boys and all. और फिर उसके बाद when I passed out of school, and then you know, somehow I got a computer at home. Like I had enrolled for a computer course, and my father got me a computer at home. And उस टाइम पे इंटरनेट आना शुरू ही हुआ था, कुछ
डायल इन वाला.
डायल इन वाला. तो वो किया, एंड उसमें somehow, you know, I searched and I found a friend who, like a gay boy who was living not very far from my home. And it was on the street. उस टाइम ना याहू मैसेंजर होता था. तो याहू मैसेंजर में बहुत सारी ऐसी चैट रूम्स होती थी.
चैट रूम्स होते थे, यस.
हर रूम के 20 या 25 लोगों की लिमिट होती थी. ऐसे करके बहुत सारी चैट रूम्स होती थी. तो आई वाज जस्ट नॉर्मली ऑन वन चैट रूम वन डे, एंड देन सम गाय रोट, हाय, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन मेल.
लिखते थे ASL.
ASL, हाँ.
एज सेक्स लोकेशन. फक यार, मुझे याद है वो सारी चीजें.
वो उस रूम में यही भरा होता था. ASL. मुझे तो बहुत टाइम लगा समझने की ASL होता क्या है. तो वहाँ मुझे एक लड़का मिला, एंड ही रोट, आई एम अ गाय लुकिंग फॉर, आई एम अ बॉय लुकिंग फॉर अ बॉय. एंड so I found them interesting. I sent him a private message, and we started chatting, and he turned out to be not very far from my place. शुरू में बहुत फटी कि भाई मतलब, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे वो भी नहीं था. You couldn't even have sent your photograph. कोई वो ऐसा कोई इंटरफेस नहीं था. तो आपको पता नहीं कौन बंदा है. मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं था उस टाइम पे. कॉमन ही नहीं था किसी के पास मोबाइल होना. तो हमने फिर ऐसे रूल बनाया कि हम हर रोज़ शाम को 7 बजे रूम नंबर 23 पे आएंगे, और फिर वहाँ से देन वी कैन चैट, वी कैन कनेक्ट. तो हमने ये किया एक हफ्ता, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, ओके, नो, ही सीम्स लाइक अ गुड गाय, लेट मी गिव हिम माय लैंडलाइन नंबर. एंड आई गेव हिम माय लैंडलाइन नंबर, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट ओके, यू कॉल मी at 11 in the night, बिकॉज पहले ये होता है घंटी बजी पूरा खानदान आ जाता, किसने फ़ोन किया.
बजते नहीं थे ना पहले फोन. हाँ.
तो उसने फिर मुझे फ़ोन किया, एंड देन वी स्पोक, वी मेट ऑल्सो उसके बाद. And very caring, and that's what I felt, you know, back in the day, because the community was so strong. People were very caring about each other. They were very genuine to each other. That एक तो अपने टाइप का कोई बंदा मिलना इतना मुश्किल था. I'm talking about 1999 2000 की टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ. उस टाइम पे कोई मिलना इतना मुश्किल, तो जब आपको कोई मिल जाता था तो आपको संभाल के रखना चाहते थे. You know,
You
so
would put extra
yeah.
efforts.
And very caring people. Like I met some very, very caring and genuine people who would look after you and, you know, advise you.
Was he elder to you?
He was elder to me.
Did he guide you ki, what is this example?
Like when he met me, he took me to McDonald's, and that time like McDonald's was like the most expensive thing on this planet, and I was floored. I was like, ये क्या, मुझे भगवान आ गया, मतलब this is my ultimate love
toy
story.
वाला thing?
It was not toy at that time. toy introduce नहीं करवाया था तब. I think उस टाइम पे ना एक बर्गर होता था 350-400 रुपए का. So he spent, so somebody spending 400 rupees for me. I was like, okay, this
वो भी 2000 में.
2000. मैं like this is my man for life. Like, because our reference point was 90s का मूवी ना, कि कितना आपके लिए कुछ कर दे, बस यही है मेरा. तो that way. तो people were very protective and loving towards each other. और फिर धीरे धीरे अगेन, देन बिकॉज आई गॉट इन टू PR आफ्टर दैट, 2003 में मैंने जॉब करनी शुरू कर दी थी.
When did you tell your parents?
I told my mom because my parents separated in 2005-06. तो in a way I was relieved कि चलो एक hassle तो खत्म हुआ. No, I don't have to come out to my dad. मतलब उनको ऐसे बताऊंगा मैं, चलो अच्छा हुआ, ये एक चापा तो मुक्का. अब
who were you more close to, पापा या मामा?
मामा. But उस टाइम पे ये था. तो then you know what happened, in 2004 only I met a guy and I started dating him. And it was very like nice. So और 2004 में मैंने जॉब भी शुरू कर दी थी. तो 2004 से because I was in PR, my relationship went on for almost 8 years. From
long relationship.
till 12
12.
till 12 and I was in PR और उस टाइम पे PR was only restricted to top designers
हम्म
top brands एक बहुत niche segment था और उसमें फ़ायदा ये हुआ कि उस niche segment में the conversations about LGBT were very open
हम्म
if somebody is gay he's gay you knew and they were open about it so that gave me confidence to understand कि यहाँ community छोटी नहीं है यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं maybe a lot of people are still in the closet they don't want to come out but है it's not a ये मुझे बीमारी नहीं थी I was normal
लेट्स नॉट यूज द वर्ड बीमारी
Yeah.
यार ठीक है हाँ
I was normal and that's how I met more people and more people and made more friends so that's how it progressed
और मुझे ना बेन ये जानना था कि हाउ डिड योर मॉम रिएक्ट किया तुमने बताया
so I came out to my mom in 2014
14
yeah
10 साल पहले
because मेरा बहुत एक I was very clear on one thing that whatever I am in terms of sexuality, that's my private thing. But my most important thing is to progress in my career. I have to have a good job. I have to have a good career, and I was focused on that throughout. I was in no hurry to come out and all. And then in 2014, I came out to my mom. She was initially a little like worried, concerned because she had no idea about this. So I explained to her, and then I think apparently he spoke to my brother also about it. And then because my mother's side is Bengali, and Bengalis are very progressive, open-minded, so she understood and she was fine with it. Her only concern was that who will cook for you after I'm gone? Who will look after you? I said I'll have a partner. He'll look after me. And then she had other questions that does it mean that you leave me and go away? I said no, of course not. I'm not going anywhere. I'm with you. So she was very cool. But I know a lot of my friends, especially Punjabi friends, who are still fighting with their families for over 8, 8, 10, 10 years, where the mothers have refused to accept the fact that
My kid
their
is-
sons can be like this. So those matters are happening. A lot of mental trauma for a lot of people. But I was
फैमिली का
blessed.
सपोर्ट मिल गया
हाँ.
तो जैसा था ना पूरी जंग जीत गए
Actually, that's the only thing because that's what you care for, right? Because
हम्म,
beyond that, you don't care for anyone. If your parents are fine, your siblings are fine, you're fine with it.
हम्म,
So it was easy. It wasn't difficult for me. It was a smooth journey. I didn't have to face that dilemma, which I see a lot of people still facing probably. Mine was very, very smooth.
और अभी इंडिया में हाउ डू यू फील यू हैव इनफ स्पेस as a gay you have enough space in the sense of acceptance मगर if you want to go out you meet people do they accept you are welcoming और एक होता है ना यार मैंने ना बहुत बहुत डीप क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा होगा एक होता है कि एक्सेप्टेंस एक होता है कि यार अरे यू आर गे एक होता है यार यू आर अ गे तो एक थोड़ा पिटी फैक्टर आता है तो यू फेल्ट दैट एज वेल
Not really. I think अब बहुत awareness है. People are very, very sensitive and open about it. In fact, a lot of like especially you see like so many girls are very. I think now it become like fashionable. Every girl wants a gay best friend.
हाँ
You know. And I think
you guys are lucky
all my straight friends say that, because I'm always surrounded by the most prettiest of girls, and they're themselves, and they're jumping and doing. I mean, they're themselves. They're they know that there's no threat. This is not my threat zone at all. So they're very, very, very comfortable. Going out, no. I mean, I feel like in today's time, we are really blessed to be in a country like India where there is no threat to anybody from the LGBT community. Max, even if you dress up in the most provocative way, people will stare at you. And I think staring is the pastime of our country. A girl would wear jeans, people will keep staring. Somebody buys a new house, the neighbors will keep staring. So staring is a common thing. But nobody's trying to hurt you or
physically harm you
कि क्या पहना निकलो यहाँ से. That never happens. And I don't even think that I have never heard, probably एक दो जगह हुआ होगा, but I have not heard in cities or even in smaller towns for this. In fact, I feel smaller towns there's much more acceptance as compared to big cities. I see Bengal side, people are very, very open about it. They are very okay with it. And that's why I think it's the best time because we are blessed to be in a country like India where everybody is protected and everybody is allowed to live the way they want to live. I mean, I as a gay man, I'm very happy to be in this country because I have my rights. I can do whatever I want. Of course, people are fighting for more rights like gay marriages and all, which will eventually happen at a time. We are not. This is not the time. I mean, as a society, marriages are failing, and then you want to introduce gay marriages at a time when the definition of marriage needs to go through a complete change. You just create more difficulties, and the society will be in chaos. So I don't even think this is the time for gay marriages. But you're protected. You are free to go out. You can go out with your partner to any hotel, any destination in the country. You go to any restaurant. Nobody's telling you that you are gay. I'm not letting you enter. That doesn't happen anywhere in this country.
That's beautiful. अंकुर अभी ना एक और चीज़ आई है, मैं जिस ज़माने से तो नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं जो मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, आई एग्री टू LGBT. दिस इज लेस्बियन, गे, bisexuals and transgenders. For me, there are 3 genders, that is male, female and transgenders. Irrespective of their sexuality की यार वो किसकी तरफ attractive है. Now what is this Q, what is this plus जो चल रहा है, queer करके कह रहे हैं, what's your idea on this? क्या हो रहा है ये?
See, I think I'm going to get a lot of backlash for saying this. But even I believe that there are only 3 genders. Either you are a male, or you're a female, or you're transgender. अब क्या हो गया है कि जैसे पहले होता था कि gender was linked to what sexual organ you have, right? If you have a male organ, you're a male. You have a female organ, you're a female. And if you have both the organs underdeveloped, then you're a transgender. अब क्या हो गया है worldwide, and I don't know why it has happened, that how you feeling is considered gender, not what organ do you have. That's why they have added a lot of binary. There's a lot of confusion that is coming in now. And there are people who will come and tell you, I'm not a male, I don't identify as a male, I don't identify as a female, I don't want to be addressed as he or she. They'll say they, them.
Their pronouns.
One, that's grammatically incorrect. You can't be they or them. That's absolutely incorrect. Second, if you don't identify yourself as male or female, are you urinating from your ear? कान से सूसू करते हो क्या? If you are using a male organ to urinate, you're a man. If you are using a female organ to urinate, you're using a vagina to urinate, you're a woman. You might think I'm God. That's your feeling. That's how you feel. But your organs are only 2. Right? So don't create. I don't know why people are so confused about this. Second thing is that despite of all this, and now what's happening is, I feel that sexuality is a big industry for pharma. And it has already started happening in America. Now you see a lot of cases. I was reading about this family in America. They had their 4-year-old son who started behaving like girls, like he was a feminine boy. And the parents got very concerned. And they started believing that, okay, our boy is a girl. They took him to something called a gender care clinic or something, which has popped up all over America. And what they do in these gender care clinics is that they help you counsel the kid and all. And they told the kid that, yes, it's fine, that your boy is not a boy, he's a girl. And you have to raise him like that. And we'll provide you all the support. And they've been doing that. Now there are thousands and thousands of children every year who are going to these gender care centers. And what they're doing is that they are giving them injections. They're putting hormones in their bodies to stop them from exhibiting signs of the gender that they have. So suppose you are a boy and you're feminine, of course, when you will turn 9, 10, you will develop, when you hit puberty, your organs will start developing. Or you'll have a beard. So they are putting injections in their bodies to stop the hormonal growth to happen. And they're also prescribing that while we are giving you these injections and these hormones, and in some cases surgery, they're also saying that please keep a check on the mental health, because we don't know how will these medicines impact them mentally,
In the long
because
run.
not in the long run immediately, because these are suicidal also. Your child can be suicidal after taking these medicines. There's no proper research, there's nothing happening. My thing is, your child is a 4-year-old, he doesn't have brain, you are not 4-year-old.
Hmm.
So यही हो गया है. People feel something. Today I want a red shirt, I'll go on Amazon, buy a red shirt, come back. That's it. It's as simple. For pharma industry also, this is the same thing that has happened, that people are insecure, parents are not spending any time in understanding the process, they're not ready to counsel, and because there are support groups, because the child rights are so strong in US and the pharma lobby is so strong, they're pumping injections, they're pumping hormones, they're giving them something called adolescent blockers that block your puberty completely. You will not have signs. There's no research that whether you in future whether you will be able to have your sexual activity properly or not. Are your newly developed organs or the organs that you don't want, will those function or not? Will you have any sort of mental sickness or not? Will you have body issues? And the best part is that none of these medicines or these injections, none of these are approved by the medical organizations in US, but the government approves it.
ये तो एक टाइप से एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया यूएस में.
Experiment हो गया. So that's what I'm saying, that for pharma it is a big thing. अभी जो मैं आपको बता रहा था कुछ टाइम पहले भी कि similar thing happened. Like there was a child in America. He said, I'm not a man, I'm not a woman, I'm a cat. And how this thing became very popular is because the child fell sick and the mother took that child to a vet, not to a doctor. So the vet said, I can't treat this child because this child is not a cat. But the mother said, no, my child is a cat because he's seeing he's a cat. So the doctor refused to treat that child because the anatomy of that child is not that of a cat. तो उसने डॉक्टर के ऊपर केस कर दिया कि इसने मेरे बच्चे को क्यों नहीं ट्रीट किया. एंड देयर आर नाउ स्कूल्स इन अमेरिका where I think it was one particular school, you know how cats do litter, like cats when the cats have to do poo, हाँ उनको जब पॉटी करनी, अगर if you have like घर पे बिल्लियाँ होती हैं तो उनके लिए एक स्पेशल लिटर होता है, एक छोटा सा व्हाइट कलर का एक बजरी टाइप होता है, they do potty there only. So there's one school in America, उन्होंने वहाँ पे टॉयलेट के बाहर ऐसे वो लगा दिए हैं लिटर, क्योंकि उनके स्कूल में ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो वो कहते हैं कि हम बिल्ली हैं, तो वो वहाँ पे जाके पॉटी कर सकते हैं. This is how messed up the entire thing is.
भाई मतलब गांजा अलेक्स, तुम पूरा देश चला रहे हो गांजा फूक कर, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है यार. मतलब you guys are not in senses or what?
So this is what I'm saying. See, nobody, rights is one thing of LGBTQ community, but I think there's a huge confusion going on in terms of how I feel. Please don't confuse gender with what you feel. Your genders are only 3. You can feel anything. आज मैं फील करूँ मैं शेरों वाली माता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा जाके 10 हाथ लगवा लूंगा अपने कहीं से जाके. That's not how it works, right? I will still be Ankur Talwar. That's it. That will not change my reality. I can think whatever I want to be. That can't be my reality.
Your reality.
Exactly. तो हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी यही चल रहा है. And because this trend has already started in America, आप रिसर्च भी कर सकते हैं. मतलब every year thousands and thousands of children in the age group of 4 to 11 are going to these centers, getting injections, some are getting surgeries done at a age where you don't even know what life is. You're disfiguring your body, and that trend will eventually come to India also. So we need to be very, very clear about these things. I think I can't relate to pronouns. I can't relate to these so many other genders. For me it's LGBT, and that's how it will always be.
Okay, I kind of sync on the same lines. ठीक है, मुझे ना बहुत सेंसिटिव लगता है क्योंकि I don't know what either it's counseling, ठीक है, और मे बी मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, बट अगर मैं रियलिटी देखूं जैसे फिजिकली इफ आई कैन टच, हाँ भाई दिस इज मेल बॉडी, दिस इज फीमेल बॉडी एंड दिस इज अ ट्रांसजेंडर, राइट, एंड आई व्हाट नाउ व्हाट यू थिंकिंग इज हियर,
या एब्सोल्युटली,
इट्स नॉट हियर, इट्स हियर. अब तुम कुछ भी सोचो, दैट इज रबिश. अच्छा, आई हैव अ क्यूरियोसिटी टू ask your future here, तो just help me understand how could it be, मतलब ठीक है, I'm not sure, this is hypothetical, So you find a partner, if there is a lesbian, she finds a partner, and you adopt a kid. ठीक है? Um, or females have the opportunity to get artificially inseminated, and they
Right,
can have a baby.
right.
Now as the society evolves, it's more like यार बच्चा है तो वो कहेगा मम्मा पापा. Now there are going to be two fathers or it's going to be mothers. How do you feel that in your gay community or lesbian community? Bisexuals it's fine, but in these two communities कैसे grow होगा आगे?
I think it will take a lot of time to understand. एक तो surrogacy laws are very difficult in India. So in surrogacy laws, you cannot like a gay couple cannot have babies. In fact, if I'm not wrong, even a single man cannot have a kid through surrogacy. You will have to enroute it through some other country, and वहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. मतलब you basically have to take citizenship of some other country or
बहुत लंबा
something.
में.
बहुत लंबा and it's a very expensive process. Very expensive. Like to have a baby, I think you have to spend around 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs, something of that sort. So that is one. Second, of course I have seen
Adoption?
adoption was not available. If you're a single man, you can't adopt
Okay.
baby. वो आप family में अपने understanding से कर लो, that's a different thing, but legally you can't adopt in India. And in terms of there are some couples who have babies who are probably bringing them up in other countries or here also. So they're still trying to like वो उनको एक मतलब they have different names. Somebody calling to one partner as Papa, the other as Dada or Daddy or something. So
whatever
that's happening.
understanding they built.
Yeah. But again, because that is happening at a very elite and a refined strata of the society, where everything is still very, powdered and looks good. People are sensitive, easy to explain.
It's a
how
rapper
to
world.
So that kind. I have not seen that at a day-to-day at a day-to-day level. Like if we have a neighbor like that, I don't know how would we treat or how would we react to it. That I have not seen yet.
Okay, it's gonna still be a question. ठीक है. मुझे थोड़ा बताओ, आप you said adoption for gay, if two gay people are living, they cannot adopt a kid.
No.
I could be wrong. I feel Karan Johar is a gay.
Karan Johar is gay, yeah.
But he has kids.
He has kids. I don't know how, because he got it through some. Yeah, again, as I said, it's a very expensive process, and you have to enroute it to some other country. How I know it because I used to handle PR for a surrogacy for an IVF clinic, and they told me this, that the surrogacy laws were literally changed in last 3-4 years. Even I think because a lot of exploitation was happening of women under surrogacy. Because you would take a woman, impregnate her with the semen, and she'll have the embryo, and then after the birth, you would take the kid away, and then that was becoming a factory because that woman would get paid so much. So there were touts involved in between who would make more money out of her. So just to तो वो उस एक्सप्लॉयटेशन को खत्म करने के लिए सरोगेसी लॉ बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया था इंडिया में, और अभी भी है. तो मेन का तो सीन नहीं है, आप बाहर से करवा सकते हो. तो आई थिंक उन्होंने वैसे ही कुछ करवाया होगा. आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट द प्रोसेस.
I'm just out of asking curiosity से. What was that? मुझे कुछ पूछना था. अच्छा, coming to this present moment and the government we have right now.
Right.
We have BJP government here, which says it's progressive in terms of development. Has it been progressive in terms of LGBT support?
Absolutely. I mean,
you have seen the era of 80s as well. You've seen the era of 90s.
See, Section 377 था एक, which basically under which it was criminal for two adults to have unnatural sex, or anyone to have unnatural sex, and that was applicable on a man and a woman also. Like if you would have unnatural sex with a woman, you could be put behind bars. Same was with men also. So because of that, कहीं भी पता लगता है कि two men had sex, they could be put behind bars. and that was a very big threat for the homosexuals and for the LGBTQ community. तो बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट के आने के बाद ही उसको हटा दिया गया, उन्होंने उसको उस सेक्शन को हटा दिया, एंड नाउ इफ two adult males are having consensual sex, it's fine, it's not punishable by law, and you can do that. So that is a big step that has happened, and now you can see, I mean, I feel under the BJP government a lot of good things have happened. Again, a lot of people think that they are, they're pro-Hindu, and they're trying to bring back a very, that kind of era back. But they're progressive. They are not forming committees to hunt down gay men. They're not saying if two gay men or transgenders or anybody in that spectrum are out there, they're not hurting them. They're giving in fact they're giving rights to transgender communities. To the members of the transgender community, they have rights. They are now getting involved in day-to-day jobs. So a lot of good things are happening, and they are extremely tolerant towards that. I mean, I have not seen, have you heard any of them saying that no, we will not allow this or we will not allow that? Everybody is welcome everywhere. I mean, I don't think the government is anti-LGBTQ. Of course, they will also take their time to understand and to come up with laws in such a way that it does not hurt the society. The balance has to be there, right? It can't be just pro-LGBTQ and not think about how the others would think about it, because even now a lot of people don't understand what exactly it is. A lot of people are still trying to understand how two men can fall in love with each other, how can two women can love each other and be with each other. So all that is happening slowly with the help of films, with the help of travel, with the help of internet, and a lot of awareness programs are going on. So all that is happening, and all that is happening in a country which is ruled by BJP. So I don't see any problem.
Okay, I'm happy. Okay, here we come to an end, and it was indeed a very good conversation.
Thank you. I had a
बहुत
great
अच्छा
time.
लगा. Is there anything you want to tell people out there watching you? Any thoughts? Any last thoughts you feel like, or if it's just okay, say it's fine.
See, I feel just especially in the LGBTQ circuit, I just want to say that start sensitizing your children about gender and about different things about about gay men or that how alternate sexuality exists.
Right.
Make them understand, not to corrupt them or anything, so that they're aware, so that and when you see a child in your family who probably exhibits signs of something not natural, as per natural, then you know that okay, you can guide that kid. And I think just be sensitive to people around you, because I'm sure still a lot of people are struggling to come out, or are scared that if they'll come out, they'll not be accepted. So I think just be sensitive and live and let live. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. We talked about sensitivity here, or just a closing note.
Sure.
This pulled me back कि जब हम बात कर रहे थे उस society की जहाँ पे people wanted to think of कि I feel like I'm a dog, I'm a wolf, and it doesn't make you wolf. So
Right.
it's not about we do not synthesize with it, we are not sensitive to it. Is that कि हम bullshit नहीं ले रहे हैं यार. ठीक है, sensitivity एक तरफ है, bullshit लेना एक तरफ है. So it's better we have our head straight and counsel people, and it's make a inclusive society.
Absolutely.
ठीक है. और इस तरीके से we're gonna end this pod up. This is Pod with Nick, and I had Ankur Talwar with me. It was a beautiful conversation. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to his Pepper Diaries, and
Thank
you
you.
go and do watch it. और डेली में जितने भी इवेंट्स होते हैं ना, मैंने पॉडकास्ट कर लिया तो आई एम इन हिज लिस्ट, तो ही गोना इनवाइट मी देयर. I'm gonna see you some other time. Signing off. This is Nikhil. Adios, ladies and gentlemen.